Hi guys, Milos here. Today I'm reviewing this 4G router that I bought from MTN. The router is going for 499 kwacha and comes with 40 gigabytes data. This is the box that the router comes in. It basically gives you an outline of what the router is capable of. This is how the router looks. It's not that big, maybe the size of a book. You can use my hand as for size comparison. In the back, this is where you're going to slot in the SIM card. It takes in a normal sized SIM card, or that's a full size SIM card. You simply slide it in to the back like this. Okay, then at the back it also has a provision for external antenna. You can attach some antenna for increased signal in case your 4G signal is bad in your area. MTN doesn't provide free antenna. I got these two when I bought a high router, which was on promotion at the time. So MTN does not give you the antennas. In the back, there's also power slot, 4 network connections. You can connect 4 devices by cable, USB provision, as well as the phone out in case you want to use the router for calls and fax and all that other stuff. In the box, it comes with a manual. Also comes with a free data cable and a power cable. So this power cable uses this big pin type, so it can't be used for a phone. It's just strictly for the router. Let me power it up and give it a test. Okay, it's powered up and the 4G signal is on and the Wi-Fi is on. So I've connected it to my computer. What you do is simply connect to the Wi-Fi network. The password is the default password will be at the bottom of the router. So you can write it down or just key it in and save the Wi-Fi connection. Remember, the password is at the bottom of your router. Okay, so once you're done, just click on next. It will verify and connect. And once connected, you can immediately start browsing. It is already preloaded with 40 gigabytes data, so once it's connected, you can immediately browse up to 40 gigabytes worth of uploads and downloads. Okay, so now I'm going to go and do a speed test. So I've gone to speedtest.net. MTN is rated 4 stars. That's by maybe many other users. I'm simply testing it here. And also remember that speed is dependent on your location, time of day, and also the days. Weekdays during peak hours it might be slow. In the nights off peak it might be faster. Weekends might be faster. So remember that speeds will depend. So the download speed is 22.94 MBs, which is quite good. And the upload speed is coming in at about 1.28 MBs, which is quite good. So remember that speed is dependent on your location, time of day, and 1 or 2 other factors. But all in all, in my location, the speed is quite good, and everything seems okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. This has been Muros. Bye.